Now here we go stop this one. At least for now, we don't understand certain things, but we will do what they call recap. The first one I say, we talked about waiting be domain name. I will talk say domain name, now be the land or the address of your land. But for in back, we get IP address. That IP address now be the real address. But because of say, make we know to they confused, now we can't do domain name. Simple. We talk of the structure. We get extension, we get second level, which is just the unique name, Chinwendu, Victory, Bidex and Co, all that stuff. And that one that they call unique name or second level domain name. Then we get the main domain itself, which is the root domain. That one I be the www.whatever. Only one like that. And we show you how to register a domain name, how to buy a domain name. You know hard in less than 1 minute. You don't do them either for Nigerian platform or for American platform. You don't do them sharp. You know they waste time. We don't talk about who is, just a little bit of maybe we don't get idea. I will not talk about ICANN. So that one too. Not be ICANN, not be the university ICANN, not be that one. This one I be the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Not be the ICANN we will know for Institute of Chartered Accountants. So of Nigeria. You the one it is and chain. Anywho. And we can also talk about DNS and the name server, one of the most complex parts for the domain name, but we don't talk in such a way, okay, we don't understand them at least to the one way anybody we just understand Pidgin English, if you understand what it be DNS, if you understand what they call name server. But for some people they will say they don't get money to buy domain name and they won't build websites. How they want to do one? You get free domains. Some platforms they offer free domains. Most of the time, that domain it will be subdomain. Don't forget subdomain. I tell you say now inside domain, another location for a particular thing, nine be subdomain. Remember. So now, if you go something like WordPress.com, if you create free websites, and they will give you, I talk for the previous days, say they will give you a domain name to build on. That domain name, you could see say it could be, I will put my first website for here again. That one I be, for instance, that realzone.wordpress.com subdomain. That realzone I be the subdomain. The root domain I be wordpress.com. You understand that now? So it gets limitations. One of the limitations I say you could always see the root domain. You could see them for there. Who get them? I be number one. I make most professional companies or professional organizations and businesses. They know they like one gets another person name for their back. If na Bidex and Co, na bidexandco.com. No be bidexandco.wordpress or .wiki.com. You know too sharp. That kind of thing. Then sometime when you don't buy those kind of domain, if you build on those platforms, they always get their watermark well indicated, or their banner said they go even put banner for your website. They will put banner say now we get this website, now we get this land where this person built in just the bottom for now. Now just the difference. And if you say which one better for professionalism, definitely now paid domain. Now they good for professionalism. That one they know they won't talk on 2 times. So if they do domain name, it is very good way you just make them very short and simple. Not too long, we people go forget, because now from the complexity of say something too hard, then they can't say use domain name. You can't reach me use domain name. You can't make domain name come long, like say you the right sentence. It no go make sense where your people no go fit to quick find out. They forget. And are the most interesting DVDs, and we don't summarize them. So for now, I believe say anybody where they say waiting be domain or things around the domain name, you don't get idea. If not even idea, you don't get very, very good information on waiting be this domain name and subdomain. We don't do this one. And here we go close cutting. Pia. I say, oh boy, make reason, make it go rest. Make a reason go rest. Make it prepare for the next one, which is hosting and hosting company. So now here we will stop. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Saliva, my mouth don't dry. Saliva don't finish. I need those subscriptions. Support. If I even get idea of how they take do it on a Patreon, Mona tell me make I put a make people they do Patreon, make they support. Because it's not easy. They very so broken hard. You think say broken easy. Broken hard. So now here we go end down. Mona not to fear, you know hard, and just deep. A reason with this, we go see for the next one. Peace and love. Play.